Okay, we're going to try this one more time. What's going on, everyone? This is Charlie, and I promise you this is the very last time I'm going to put out anything related to fast agents, the DRS, and the DTC. Now, notice I'm not going to bring up computer share at all because it's irrelevant. This is just how the DRS operates. This is how the fast agents work that everyone's been ignoring, and how the DTC has their hands and control over this entire process. So what are fast agents? So back in, I think it was like 1977 is when they were incorporated, but we had an updated ruling on the 5th of 2011. And this is an order granting approval of a proposed rule change to amend rules relating to the requirement to maintain a balance certificate in the FAST Automated Securities Transfer Program. Under DTC's FAST program, transfer agents participating in FAST or fast transfer agents hold DTC securities in the form of balance certificates. The balance certificates are registered in the name of DTC's nominee, Seed & Co., and evidence the record ownership by Seed & Co. of each issue for which the fast transfer agent acts as transfer agent. The balance certificate agreement is executed by each fast transfer agent, and DTC sets forth the rights and obligations of fast transfer agents in DTC. So again, DTC sets forth the rights and obligations of fast transfer agents in DTC. As additional securities are deposited or withdrawn from DTC, the appropriate fast transfer agent adjusts the denomination of the balance certificate and electronically confirms these changes with DTC. Because transfer agents electronically confirm with DTC the adjustments to the denomination of the balance certificates and balances with DTC on a daily basis, the number of shares represented by the balance certificate, some fast transfer agents requested that DTC remove the requirement that they custody a balance certificate. As a result, DTC has proposed to remove the requirement that fast transfer agents maintain a balance certificate for only those securities whose issuers are participating in the DRS system. Hooray! Hold on. Accordingly, pursuant to the rule change being approved by this order, DTC will remove the requirement that fast transfer agents maintain a balance certificate for those exchange-listed issues that are DRS eligible and that are participating in DRS. However, DTC will continue to reserve its rights to draw down from the fast balance and to receive in lieu of a DRS position a certificate registered in DTC's nominee name of Seed & Co. and reflecting any number of shares up to and including the total amount of shares due DTC from the fast transfer agents. So to summarize, fast agents requested to remove the balance certificate because they know how jacked up it is. They removed the requirement for DRS only, but then still have the right to draw down from the balance and receive a certificate registered in Seed & Co. whenever they want. Securities Transfer Association comment letters in response to this. I think Trimbath brought this up, but I don't really care. Comment letters. The Commission received 2 comment letters, one from the Securities Transfer Association raising several concerns about the filing and the other from DTC responding to the STA comments. While the STA strongly supports DTC's proposed rule to eliminate the requirement for fast agents to maintain a balance certificate for issues participating in DRS, the STA believes the requirement to maintain a balance certificate should also be eliminated for those issues eligible for DRS but not participating. The STA reasons that DRS eligible issues can be electronically reflected on the transfer agent's record and can still be moved electronically through a deposit withdrawal at custodian transaction. The STA also noted that the proposed requirement that reserves the right for DTC to request a certificate may be problematic for those issuers that do not issue certificates, like ComputerShare. Through DTC's DWAC service, this is Supernote 7, participants are permitted to make deposits and withdrawals directly with the transfer agent for an issue evidenced by a balance certificate registered in the name of Seed & Co. and held for DTC by a transfer agent. Held for DTC by a transfer agent. Issues eligible under DTC's Fast Automated Securities Transfer are eligible for DTC's DWAC service. For more information about the DWAC service, see Securities Exchange Act release number 30283. Okay. So anyways, already not looking like what everyone's talking it up to be. DTC's response. DTC's comment letter responded to both concerns raised by the STA. First, DTC contended that companies that have issued securities that are fully eligible and participating in DRS have authorized the use of a statement to evidence ownership. Without this authorization by the issuer, DTC argues there is no ability to get an electronic statement from the issuer's transfer agent, and therefore no inherent approval of statement form as valid evidence of ownership. Second, with regards to the provision of DTC's proposal, reserving the right for DTC to request a certificate, DTC maintained that currently all issuers eligible and participating in DRS are required to maintain and provide DTC upon a request a fast balance certificate. DTC stated that it cannot anticipate every situation that may arise where it is in DTC's best interest to certificate the fast balance, but there are times when obtaining a certificate is necessary, such as when the issuer's transfer agent or the issuer itself no longer meets the criteria to be in the FAST program. All issuers eligible and participating in DRS are required to maintain and provide DTC upon request a fast balance certificate. There is no way around this. DTC has the ultimate control over your information and the shares when requested. With regards to the STA concern that requiring issuers or their transfer agents to provide a balance of certificate upon request, the proposed rule change does not change DTC's current requirements that relating to certificating fast balance positions, and therefore should not present any new issues for issuers or fast transfer agents. DTC was simply making clear in the proposed rule change that it is continuing to reserve the right to request such a certificate. So if they're still required to do the certificate, and they're still required to put their certificates in the name of Seed & Co. upon request, I don't see how this could be possibly aligning with the narrative that's being pushed around. That is all I've been trying to say. However, let's move on. More important info. What is a DRS transaction? Well, a direct registration system is a service offering by the depository trust company, not GameStop, that provides registered shareholders of the issuer with the option of holding their assets or shares on the books and records of the transfer agent in book entry form instead of a physical stock certificate. How does a DRS transfer work? Through the DRS profile system, an investor's broker requests securities to be transferred from their book entry DRS account at the transfer agent to the broker's account at DTC. So you're sending it to the broker's account at DTC. How is this a good idea? Don't know. A valid surety or insurance number must be submitted with the instructions from the initiating broker. There is an insurance policy that must be validated before any transferring even takes place. So, yeah. By the way, so this is what's going on Reddit that's misrepresenting how this works. It's basically showing it as there's no connection between the DTC and the company or the registered shareholders. And this right here, this is the link that provides the article that debunks this picture. This is the actual picture that is from the Fed Register itself. This came out in 2017. This is the actual picture that depicts what's happening in the direct registration system. Sorry, it is a little blurry. I am going to try to morph this a little closer. Let's see what happens. So as you can see here, this is the issuer, transfer agent, master security holder file. This is the registered security holders right here. In between this file and Seed & Co. This is your fast balance certificate right here. So whenever they want, they can draw down this fast balance certificate into Seed & Co. and then give it back to the registered security holder. So again, it's just misinformation, not a big deal. I'm trying to explain reality. If you want to ignore it at this point, that's up to you. I'm not going to spend any more time on this. I've put out more than enough information countering everything else going around. Still haven't received any information regarding the positive side of this. So this is my last attempt. Again, make your own decision. It's up to you. But you've seen the filing, you've seen the evidence, you've seen the literature, and that's all I can do. So appreciate all the support from everybody. It really means a lot. You have no idea. Those of you who have been unsubscribing from me and threatening me and calling me all these names, I don't care. I told you from the beginning, I'm not ever going to tell you what you want to hear. I'm going to deliver reality, and I will continue to do that moving forward. And yeah, keep your head on straight, everyone. Stay focused, and hope you have a good rest of the day. Good luck.